C5 time here. Got a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Nice looking car, a little under 27,000 miles I believe, on it. And we'll check that out when I start it up, and we'll get a look at the odometer and everything. Now, let's see, a few things on this. First off, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, anything like that. I've been around this car, and I don't see any signs of paint work. I want to take a look at this nose cone. Very free of chips, nicks, scratches. Yeah, you might find a couple really tiny ones, if that. Boy, extremely clean front end of this car. And then lots of times up here in the hood, you'll also start to see them. Get the rock chips and what have you, but no, very nice shape on this car. And look at the luster of that paint. This, of course, is bright silver metallic. This is a pretty rare combination. First off, in the bright silver metallic and convertibles, they made 1,240, so there's not a ton of those. And then this would have the torch red interior in leather. Now, as far as the torch red interiors go, out of all convertibles, I believe it is, yeah, all convertible production, I believe it's only like 4%. So by the time you kind of put that combination together of the silver, the bright silver metallic, and that torch red interior, pretty limited production car here. Of course, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8 underneath there, power steering, power brakes. Of course, factory AC equipped car. Riding on the chrome wheels, nice looking wheels. Goodyear F1 Eagles, I believe it was. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, check out the interior trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It'll take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Look up and down the side of this car, passenger side, driver's side, both. You just don't see nicks, scratches on the sides either. Sort of door dings. Looks good. Red interior, nice shape, carpeting. As you can see, 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that 5.7 liter. Very reliable power plant and drivetrain. As you can see, CD player in this one, AM, FM, radio, of course. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power antenna back here. This would have the black cloth top to it. Rear defrost glass window back there in it, rear window. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate. You call in or email. Take a look up and down the driver's side here also. Again, free of dings, nicks, scratches. It's a very clean car for a 2000. These are a lot of bang for the buck. You look at a convertible with less than 30,000 miles on it, and a Corvette, great engine and drivetrain. Good value, no doubt about that. It is a Bose stereo too, by the way. Mentioned that. Of course, cruise, driver's information center. Some of the other stuff on here, power driver's seat. But leather looks good. Just kind of its natural wrinkles and natural wear. It's not cracks or anything like that. It's just the way the leather grain is going to wear as it ages and is used. So that looks good. Let's go ahead. I'm going to start this up a second. Get in here and get situated. The keys in my pockets. Give me 1 second. Get this fired up. Alright. Now, you can see the dash and everything. Also nice shape, not cracked. There's the miles on it, 26,947. Like I said, a little under 27,000. 26,947. Again, Bose stereo system, AM, FM, CD. But yeah, what a cool looking combination of the silver and red. Doesn't appear to sound like we have any crazy aftermarket exhaust, anything like that. Might be a little bit of a throw to your howl to that. Let's come around to the back here and listen to that. Doesn't sound too bad. Check out those underside picks. You'll be able to see exhaust system and everything on there. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood pop so we can check out that engine bay. And then at the end, I'll shut everything off and I'll get that top up. I want you to take one look at that top too so you can see that. Alright, got the hood pop. Boy, you can tell this thing hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at how clean that hood liner is. Wow, look at this engine bay. So here you go, 5.7 liter. Power brakes, power steering AC. Doesn't look like any modifications as far as cold air intake or anything like that. Now, there's pictures of the RPO codes for this. So you can check out all the options that it came with. It does have the owner's manual with it. It's in the glove box. It does have all of that also. Alright, let me slip around the other side and show you too. The headlights do work on this one. That's all good. Check her out from this side. Smooth running engine. And again, like I said, clean Carfax. I haven't seen any signs of paint work. There's no accidents indicated. Appears to be a very well taken care of car. I mean, you can tell just the shape that the paint is in the interior. This thing was babied. Alright, I'm going to flip that hood down, turn it off here a second since we've checked all that out. I want to give you a look at that top yet again. So hold on and let's check that out. Alright, shut it off. Get the hood closed, top up. Just want to show you the shape that this was in, also nice shape. Not full of wear, holes, tears, anything like that. Black cloth fabric, rear glass window with rear defrost in it, of course. Yeah, also in nice shape. Kind of matches the rest of the car. This is maybe just a little bit of dust, but there's again no stains, rips, tears, anything like that. Top's in nice shape. Nothing to hide on that either. All right, so 2000 Chevrolet Corvette, nice looking C5 and bright silver metallic. Remember, pretty rare car with that red interior. Also clean Carfax. Low miles. What more do you want? Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.